Hey, it's Arie here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video, I want to talk about how to make big money fast in just one day online. So if you're looking for a way to make fast money online and you want to make truly, some serious cash online within a day or at least a few days, then this video will be showing you a very powerful strategy that you could actually use to make some fast money online. And before I really dive into the topic, if this is the first time that you're on my channel, I'm always putting out new videos on a regular basis that will show you how you can make money online, how to grow an online business, and different ways that you can, of course, work from home. So if you enjoy videos like that, definitely be sure to subscribe to this channel down below, and then this way you can be notified whenever there's a brand new video on this channel. But without further ado, let's talk about how to make big money online fast in one day online. Let's get right into it. Alright, so right off the bat, I'm going to assume that you've seen lots of videos like this where, someone will say, oh, sign up to Amazon Mechanical Turk and do these little, tasks here and there, and you can get, these 10-cent, commissions, get paid a penny for one single task, but, hey, it's free, fast money, and it takes very little to no work at all. I'm not going to recommend that. I'm not going to say, okay, here, go to Swagbucks and do all these surveys, sign up for all these different, apps here, play these games, watch these videos, and, if you sign up through my link down below, you get access to, you'll get like a free, $5 bonus or something like that. That's not what I'm going to recommend either. I'm sure that if you're seeing this, you've likely seen plenty of videos like that, and you're just sick of seeing, all the type of stuff. With Swagbucks and Amazon Mechanical Turk, I mean, the earning potential is so little that it's just really not worth your time at all. So I'm assuming that you've seen lots of videos like that. You don't want something like that. You want something that could also make you fast money online. But I'm also assuming that if you're seeing this right now, I'm going to assume that you don't have a massive budget to spend on, different products, or, you want to, of course, make money without having to invest. And maybe you don't have like a massive following either. So this strategy is going to be perfect for you if you're just getting started and you want to make some big money online. So what exactly is the strategy? Well, I'm actually going to recommend that you join an affiliate program. In my case, I'm going to be using ClickBank as an example. However, if ClickBank is not available in your country, like I know ClickBank is banned in certain places, like but if ClickBank is not available in your country, you could always join an affiliate program such as JVZoo or Warrior Plus. Those are two other affiliate programs that you could also do, and pretty much kind of model what I'm doing here. But what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to use ClickBank as an example here, and I'm going to recommend a product on this platform. Now, if you aren't familiar with ClickBank or any of these affiliate programs, essentially how they work is they are digital marketplaces that have, they have digital products, and you could actually promote them as an affiliate. So you can get signed up for with ClickBank by clicking this create account button right here. And this will take you to the, to the step-by-step process on how to get signed up with ClickBank, and you could just, go through that. And it's pretty self-explanatory. You just want to follow the steps and then get your account set up for clickbank.com. Once you get signed up as an affiliate, that is when you can go to Affiliate Marketplace and you could start recommending any of the products. Now, how it works is you get paid a commission whenever you refer someone to a product. So someone buys a product that you recommend, they go through your affiliate link that you would get. It would be your unique link. And if they buy the product, then you get paid a commission. So what I'm going to recommend doing is you want to pick one of these niches. There's a whole bunch of niches you could, of course, pick. There's, computers, internet, business, investing, betting systems. There's e-business and e-marketing, education, green products, health and fitness, home and garden. I mean, the list goes on with ClickBank. There's, a whole bunch of different niches you could, of course, get into. But my personal recommendation is that you want to start with a niche that is rather booming, something that is in very, very high demand. And what I mean by that is think about niches like this. There is the make money online niche. There's health and wellness. And then there's also the dating/relationships niche. Now, these three niches right here are evergreen. This is where most of the money is being made because, I think you and I can agree that as long as the internet exists, there is always going to be people looking up information on how to make more money online, how to get into better shape, how to find the love of their life, stuff like that. So ideally, you want to pick one of those three niches. In my case, I'm going to pick the e-business and e-marketing niche. And then what you'll want to do is you'll want to find a product that pays out a very big commission. So here we could either, you could like sort through different products by like, average sale amount, average rebill total, popularity, but I'm not going to worry too much about that. What you want to do here is you want to find a product that is rather high ticket and will pay out a big big amount per sale. So for example, ClickBank University at the very top here will pay out a commission of $264.69. So if you can get one person to buy this product right here, that is almost $300 that you're getting right then and there. Another one is we've also got 12-minute affiliate system, pays about 67 bucks. That's decent, you know, not as good, but Super Affiliate System by John Crestani. This will pay out a $474 commission right there on the front end. And this is considering that you get, you know, you just get one person in to buy this product. They get, you know, you get that amount right there, at least, you know, kind of like around that amount. So that's pretty good for one single sale of that product. And they've also got other ones, you know, like 1K a day, fast track type converting high ticket on ClickBank. So this will pay out like a $442 commission. And all you have to do to promote this is you just want to click on the promote button. And then what you want to do is you'll want to enter your ClickBank username. So I'm going to do that there. There's my username. And then you just want to click on generate hop link. So what this is going to do is it's going to generate a unique link that is, you know, unique to yourself. And anytime someone goes through this link right here and they buy the product, then you get paid a commission. So I'll actually show you if I open this up in a new tab. I'm just going to paste that right here. We're going to open that up, and this will take me to where I could check out the product right here. So this is right here. It says free live training webinar reveals how I earn up to $14,444 per day just sending a quick email to people who visit my 2-page website. And you can get a copy of everything I use to do this for free. So it's like a free masterclass that someone could of course sign up for. And it's, you know, usually these webinars are like around like 60 to 90 minutes long. So what I would personally recommend is you want to pick a product on ClickBank that offers something for free on the front end. So it could either be, you know, like, okay, sign up for this free training, you know, or like this free course. This is a completely free product right here. And then, you know, there's some upsell on the back end. Or what you could do is you could find a product that has a webinar that someone could, of course, attend, you know, a free webinar. And at the very end of the webinar, he offers his product that, you know, if someone gets enough value from the webinar, they could check out the you know, more in-depth training that he offers at the very end of it. So when someone watches this webinar right here and they decide, okay, I want to actually buy into the product, I want, you know, I've got lots of value here, I want to see more of what he has to offer, then you get paid this commission right here. So really all you have to do is you just have to get someone onto this page and they just have to go, okay, you know, I want to sign up for the free training. And that's pretty much all you have to do right then and there. And the entire webinar will do all of the selling for you pretty much on the back end. So you don't have to worry about trying to sell people on something. All you have to do is share this free webinar right here. Now, how exactly do you go about sharing this webinar right here? Well, the method that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video is a free method that you could use, and it's a method that you could use to make sales with this rather quick. So what I'm going to recommend doing is you want to go to facebook.com and you know, you want to use your Facebook profile here. So you of course want to have a Facebook account. And this is something that I want to give a bit of a warning here. This is something that you could do at least, you know, once or maybe once in a while. I would not recommend doing this on a like on like a daily basis, because if you do this a lot of times, you know, Facebook may see you as spamming. So you want to make it where your Facebook profile is primarily about, you know, your personal life, you hanging out with family, that type of stuff. And then, you know, every now and then you could create a post like this that says something along the lines of, let me pause this real quick. So here's what I wrote. I just went through this training and it has helped me make my very first sales online. If you're looking for a way to generate an income online, then I highly recommend checking out this training here. What you will learn is how to build a business by selling other people's products. So that's really what affiliate marketing is, and that's what he's you know, teaching right here. So then from there, you could just include your link. You could say, check it out here, and then just include your link right there. And one other thing that I'll actually recommend you do is actually shortening this link right here. So this link right here, as you can see, it kind of doesn't look too pleasing to the eye, and it may come off as, you know, a bit spammy. So to make this link more clickable for most people, is what you would want to do is you would want to go to a site like bit.ly.com. Or there's also like another one you could check out called like tinyurl, and then you could just shorten the link. So what I'll do is I'm just going to scroll down a bit, and it'll have like a field where you could, of course, paste in your link, paste that in, click on shorten, and this will give you a different link that you could use. And this will take them straight to that same exact page. But, you know, the link will appear more attractive to the eye. So I'm going to delete this, and then, you know, get rid of that. and then paste in that link right there. And then, as you can see there, that looks up like, a lot better. Looks more, I guess you could say like legitimate or more clickable. And then you could just post this on your Facebook wall. Now, you could either create a post on your personal Facebook wall, or what you could even do is you can go to Facebook groups. So I'm actually going to show you. So for example, if I'm promoting a product that talks about how to make money online or how to grow an online business, then what I would recommend doing is you want to find groups that are in that same niche. So you could type something up like, make money online. You could search that up there. And then you could look for groups that are in that specific niche. I'm going to click on leave page there. So we're going to search that up there. And then from here, you could, of course, go to groups. And then this will just, bring up groups that you're, of course, in. So, like, I can go to, like, Make Money Online USA or, any of these other groups. Looks like this one. Well, I'm actually going to use one that I'm already in, just kind of course, save time. So, like, I could, go with this one right here. And I can click on, go into this group right here. And then you could just create that same exact post into this group right here. So this group has, a bunch of people that, they're of course looking for different ways of making money online. And if you have a solution that you could share that will help them make money online, then that's definitely something that you could do as well to, of course, get sales with this product right here. Now, as I mentioned in this video, this isn't something that you want to be doing, like on a daily basis, very often, because if you do this too often, Facebook will eventually start seeing you as a spammer, and then your post will end up being shown to less people. So, and I heard that if you do that, like too many times, your account could get, shut down if you're just copying and pasting the same message and just, posting it all over the place. So this is something that you want to personally write out yourself. You don't want to copy and paste this a bunch of times, and you just want to do this once in a while. That's the ideal way of going about this. But one other thing you could do as a bonus, I want to show you something else you could do, is you could even start reaching out to people and build a personal connection here. So what you could do is you can go to your group and click on where it says members right here. It's got like the amount of members. So over 32,000 people that you could actually connect with, right with, with the click the mouse, and you can just see exactly who is in this group. Now, what's great about this is that, like I mentioned, with this group, there's a whole bunch of people that are looking for ways on how to make more money, how to grow an online business, all that type of stuff. And if you have a solution, a free training that shows them how they can, of course, get to that result much quicker, then that's a great way to, of course, do it. So there is a script that I'm actually going to show you in a second, but what you could do is you could look for where it says new to the group. And you could just, of course, start going through the different names and start reaching out to people. So what I'm going to recommend you do is reaching out to people that are in the top tier countries. Places like, United States, Canada, Australia, United Kingdom, places like that. You could, of course, start reaching out to people that way. So I'm going to click on, like this Ralph guy. He's from, Canada, and he's living in New York. So I'm going to bring up that name right there. And then here you could just send them a personal message. Now, here's what I'm going to recommend that you do, as a way to doing this. You don't want to just, reach out to them and say, hey, check out this offer right here, because, they're not going to trust you. They're just going to see you as a spammer. So what you want to do is, I have a script right here that you could actually follow, the Facebook prospecting script. And this is what you want to lead with. So you want, when you first send them a message, you want to say hello, their name. So you want to actually put in their name. And then you just want to write, I like to connect with like minds, and I notice we hang out in the same group. How's it going? So in this case, you're just building up a personal connection. You're not focusing on trying to sell them anything, right off the bat, and you're just being friendly to them. So this is what you want to lead up with. And then you could, of course, wait for their response. And depending on what they say, you could say, like, I'm enjoying the summer and with my family and enjoying life to the fullest, or, something along those lines, depending on what you're, of course, doing. You could share that with them. And then you could say, if you don't mind me asking, what do you currently do online? So you're just asking a question, getting to know them better. And, they might say something like, oh, I've tried this business venture and it didn't work, or, I'm currently working on Fiverr or something like that, and, this is actually working for me. And in that case, you could say something along the lines of, oh, that's awesome, good for you. And then you could say, I recently started a new project with a few top income earners online, and it's duplicating very fast for our team and the people we introduce this to. it offers the best training on the best way to leverage the internet and make a full-time income online. And I'd love to share it with you. Let me know if you'd like to participate. So you could say something, pretty much like that, or kind of along the lines, customize it to your liking, make it unique to yourself if you want to. And then you want to, of course, wait for the response. If they say, hell yeah, man, I'd like to check out that training, I'd really be interested in learning more about that, then you could say, sure, you bet. What's your best email? And I'll send the enrollment details over to you. So you could wait for them to send in their email, and then once they give you their email, then you could take that email and then you could opt in to that training for them. And then you could just say, okay, check your email inbox, something like that. Either that, or you could send them the link, but I know Facebook is becoming like a bit strict when it comes to sending links in Messenger and all that type of stuff. So what you could do is you could put in a link and like include like a space somewhere in, and just tell them, okay, remove this space, and then just paste in this link in the browser, and it'll take them to where they could check out the free training. Now, like I mentioned, as long as someone goes through that training and they buy the product, then you get paid that commission right there. So that is like, $442 that you make right there, right off the bat. And it looks like it even has like some rebilling total as well that you can make like on the back end. So there is a very good earning potential with just this one product alone, and with a lot of products on ClickBank and other marketplaces like JVZoo. So I recommend if you are looking for a way to make fast money and we want to make big money, then this is something that I definitely recommend checking out, because it doesn't require any investment on your end, and it's a very great way to make fast money without a massive budget or a massive following. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this a thumbs up, because it really does help the channel. And also let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Did you find value in this video? I'd really be interested in hearing your thoughts. But anyways, if you want to learn more about how to build an entire business around the concept of affiliate marketing, and you want to learn more about how to really do affiliate marketing long term, then my #1 recommendation is in the description. It's the very first link, and that will show you, it'll go much more into depth about how to build an entire business online through the concept of affiliate marketing. So if you're interested in learning more about that and you are ready to actually create that breakthrough, then I definitely would check out that link down in the description down below. Anyways, hopefully you found this video helpful, and take care.